Hey, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have a Cisco RSP880-TR and I will show you how to execute the password recovery on this particular supervisor card. So I don't know the password. The user is root or admin. I mean, you define the user and the password, when you reset the unit to factory default. Basically, that is the moment when you assign the user and the password. So I will show you that later, but right now, so I don't know the password. So look at that. So let me reboot the unit, and then we need to abort the boot process, and from there, going to the ARMON mode, execute just one command that will delete basically the password on the unit. So let me show you how to execute that. Let me remove the chassis. This is a big chassis. Give me 1 second, please. So right here, for example, there is a message that you need to press Ctrl+C to go into the ARMON. Yeah, into the ARMON, just execute one command. Just press wait, and to see the message right there. It's a very simple procedure. One of my subscribers asked me to execute that. Look at that, Ctrl+C. This one tells you, to the boot menu, in which you select, for which operating system version you want to root, a 32-bit or 64-bit. So look at that. When the operating system start loading, you need to press Ctrl+C right there, for example, right there. Right there, Ctrl+C, and then you will get into the ARMON prompt right there. So now you need to execute the following command. That's it. Configuration register 02142 and enter, and then reset. Let's boot the unit, and in this case we don't need to execute any abort process. Just let the unit boot, and when the operating system is ready, they will ask you for a new password. So let's wait. So look at that, guys, the unit already boot. Let's totally check if we can. So look at that, you can assign a new username and password. So enter your root system username. You can select root, or can be admin as well, right? Admin, for example, and then the password. And then you have access to the system. Look at that. So that's basically abort the boot process, going to the ARMON mode and execute the command right there. Configuration register 0x2242, reset, remove the unit, and assign new password and new username. Well, that will be everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Thank you.